Welcome to Accent Master. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce the name of one of the most famous islands off the coast of Naples. This is pronounced Capri. 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 So note that it's not stressed at the end. This is not pronounced Capri. Well, I guess unless you're French. But since this is an Italian word, Capri. The stress is at the beginning on the first syllable. Apart from that, the R, of course, is lightly trilled. Don't over-exaggerate it and turn it into Capri. You don't need to do that. But in general, Capri. Capri. Do keep in mind that both the C, the P, and in general all consonants in Italian are not aspirated. So it's not K, it's not P, it's K, 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 P, P, P. Capri. Have you ever been? Thank you for watching Accent Master. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.